Hello students, this is your science sir. We are discussing the topic of the lesson is polymer chemistry. Today we are going to discuss the subtopic 3.4.3 resin code of plastics. Resin code of plastics. Students, already we discussed about plastic, thermoplastic and thermosetting plastic. Okay, and now we are going to discuss resin code of plastics. What is resin code? In that plastic, in that particular plastic, they mention some numbers, okay, based on the harmfulness. Based on the harmfulness, they mention some numbers are there, okay. If it is good, if it is recyclable plastic and good plastic and which will decompose easily, based on that they given the number, that is only resin code. Okay students, now that you have learnt about the differences between thermoplastic and thermosetting plastic polymers, let us find out more about the different types of plastics that you use in your daily life. Okay students, plastics are very useful in our daily life, but some types contain dangerous chemicals. Some types of plastic contains dangerous chemicals. Okay, if it is dangerous chemicals, we should not use, so for that only they mentioning the number. Okay, did you know that there are many different types of plastics? Okay students, you can tell these plastics apart by searching for a resin code. The resin codes are a universal way of categorizing different types of plastics, okay, that is universally accepted one, okay, which helps us separate plastics so that it is easier to recycle them. Okay, how can you identify the resin code? How can you identify the resin code? Where can you find the resin code on a plastic item? Okay students, look at the chasing arrow triangle shaped symbol on the bottom of a bottle, on the brand label sticker, or on the lid of a container. So what number is marked in the center of the triangle? Students, you should watch there, bottom of the bottle and lid of the cork மேலே and brand label மேலலாம் they mention இந்த மாதிரி triangle போட்டு like this triangle some numbers are there, okay. That is acronym சொல்லுவாங்க, acronym. ஸோ இது கேட்டகரி ஆஃப் பிளாஸ்டிக் மென்ஷன் பண்ணுறதுக்காக தான் சொல்லுவாங்க. ஓகே, வாட் நம்பர் இஸ் மார்க்ட் இன் த சென்டர் ஆஃப் த ட்ரையாங்கிள்? வாட் லெட்டர்ஸ் ஆர் பிலோ திஸ்? திஸ் இஸ் வாட் we call a resin code. Okay students, if the number is 1 within the chasing arrow triangle and as the acronym is PET, okay, polyethylene terephthalate, we discussed already, so if in that triangle if there is 1, okay, which is the category of plastic is PET, okay, based on that 1 2 3 4 up to 7 they mentioned there, okay. Now that you have found out that the bottle has a specific resin code, okay, let us see what gives the bottle and the other plastic products certain. Okay, different chemicals are added to the plastic, okay, to give them various qualities and characteristics. Okay, for example, flexibility, strength, softness or transparency. There are some chemicals that are used in plastics that are dangerous for our health, animals and the environment. Okay, for example, polyvinyl chloride, PVC pipe, we heard about that product, PVC resin code 3, okay, which has heavy metals such as cadmium and lead Okay, the cadmium and lead is the heavy metals which make the pollution. Okay, and which are toxic chemicals which are harmful to our health. Okay, polystyrene. So PS, its resin code is 6, which has styrene is a toxic chemical known to causing cancer disease. Okay, students, you are watching the plastics item and its resin code chart. Okay, you see there. I just tell you about that resin code number only. If here resin code number 2, resin code number 4, resin code number 5, it is the somewhat safe. Other plastics we should not use, which will make us harmful. Okay, students, you are looking the resin code chart on the previous page. Okay, to find out more about the different types of plastics. Okay, what are common items and which plastics are safe and unsafe for us. Okay, animals and the environment. Okay, which plastics are safe and unsafe for us, and also animals to the environment. Okay, students, look at the resin code chart to find out more about the different types of plastics, the common items and the plastics that are safe and unsafe for us, animals and the environment. For using like this plastic, harmfulness plastic, what are the impacts happening to the living organisms and the environment? Okay, plastics are cheap, lightweight, strong and durable, and have contributed to a range of advances and benefits to our modern life. But in the increase in the usage of plastic, particularly the one-time use and throw away plastic, has serious impacts on the environment, animals and our health. Why animals, which is making harmful to animals? Sometimes animals can eat that plastic items in the garbages, dumped garbages, and that plastic not digest there. Okay, so animals can die. Okay, next PLA plastic. Next week we will talk about PLA plastic. Okay, students, can you see how much plastic litter dumping the plastic? Litter pollutes our environment. Okay, how nice would it be if a material that had similar qualities to plastic could be biodegradable? Okay, be absorbed by the soil and give nutrients to the soil. Okay, students, I told you about biodegradable and non-biodegradable. If the material decompose the action of bacteria, which is the biodegradable, so action of bacteria, the material do not get decomposed, means which is the non-biodegradable. Okay. Now scientists have thought about alternatives to synthetic plastics and have found polylactic acid a substitute for some types of plastics. Polylactic acids or polylactide is compostable and bioactive thermoplastic. Okay, this polymer is obtained from plant starch such as corn சொல்லுவாங்களே அந்த மக்காச்சோளம். Okay, corn, sugar cane and pulp from sugar beets. Okay, so PLA is a biodegradable material. It is useful for making food packaging, garbage bags and disposable tableware. Okay, for these materials and all, making with the help of PLA. Once again I will tell you, PLA, expansion of PLA means polylactic acid. Polylactic acid plastic என்றது வந்து corn இருக்கு இல்லையா, corn, sugar cane and some pulp from sugar beets, ஸோ இதுலேருந்து தான் இந்த பிளாஸ்டிக் வந்து ப்ரிப்பேர் பண்ணுறாங்க. ஓகே, விச் இஸ் ஈஸிலி டீகம்போசபிள் ஒன். தென் various methods of disposing the plastics. Various methods are disposing the எந்தெந்த மெத்தட்லலாம் வந்து இந்த பிளாஸ்டிக்கை வந்து டிஸ்போஸ் பண்ணலாம், எப்படி எப்படிலாம் ரீசைக்கிள் பண்ணிக்கலான்றதை வந்து பார்த்திங்கன்னா, the management of plastics can be considered by the 5R principle. The management of plastics can be considered by the 5R principle. What are that 5R? 5 capital R. Okay, refuse, reduce, reuse, recycle and recover. Okay, as well as to landfill. Okay, 5R, once again I will tell you that 5R: refuse, reduce, reuse, recycle and recover as well as to landfill. Okay, then first of all we will talk about refuse. Okay, refuse in the sense, the best thing to do is to avoid using plastic products. Okay, one time use throwaway plastics can often be avoided. For example, we can carry cotton or jute bags. Okay, நூலால் செஞ்ச பேக்கோ இல்லை சணல்னால் செஞ்ச பேக்கோ கொண்டு போகலாம் நம்ம ஷாப்பிங் போகும்போது. Okay, we can carry cotton or jute bags when we go shopping and say no when a shopkeeper offers us a plastic bag. Okay, first refuse. The meaning of refuse is avoid. Plastic use பண்ணுறதை அவாய்ட் பண்ணணும். Next, reduce. Okay, reducing the amount of plastic we use is important. Before buying a plastic product, we can check to see if there are any substitutes or alternatives that can be used. Okay, if we use fewer plastic, we will create less plastic waste. Okay, however, even if we try to reduce the amount of plastic we use and throw away, it is impossible to stop using plastics completely. Then reuse. So if possible, products made of plastic can be used again and again. For example, if we have a plastic bag in good condition, instead of throwing it away, we can use it again the next time we go for shopping. Okay, if we have a plastic product and if you do not feel like using it again, okay, we can give it to others instead of throw it out. Okay, if we throw it out, in the sense it will dump it there and making pollution. Okay, then recycle. Okay, it is better to recycle plastic waste. Separating plastic waste and making sure it gets recycled is good, as it turns waste materials into something new. Okay, then it will not be thrown away in landfills, open dumps or ending up as litter in the environment. Okay, many thermoplastics can be recycled. They can be softened by heating and can be made into another article by recycling. Okay, but thermosetting plastics cannot be recycled. Recycling plastics is challenging, and it is important to know that plastic can be recycled forever. Okay, there are so many different types of plastics which are often mixed together, making it difficult to separate them back into the original material. Okay, every time plastic is melted and recycled, it loses quality. This is called downcycling. Okay, recycling of plastics waste cannot be the only solution to plastic pollution. Okay, we should not throw out that plastic material after using. Okay, we can recycle it. Okay, next, recover. Solid waste can be converted into resources such as electricity and compost through thermal and biological means. Burning plastics in large furnaces or in the open is bad for the environment. Okay, next landfill, next landfill. Plastic waste often ends up in landfills that are huge holes where waste is buried to keep it separate from the environment. Okay, this is the most common way for the plastic to be disposed of around the world. Plastics make up 7 to 13% of waste that is sent to landfill on a global scale. Plastics in landfills can still lead to pollution of the air, soil and groundwater. Over the time, landfills can degrade and the toxic chemicals in certain plastics can leak out into the environment. Okay, students, next in next video we will discuss about biodegradable waste and plastic eating bacteria, glass types and uses. So these things and all we will discuss in next video or otherwise in our online class. Okay students, thank you for listening this video lesson.